Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about one complex scenario which one of our colleague has got it in Excel while he's working on a data analytics project. So we'll look into how did we solve this problem with a very simple formula in Excel. So please like this video if you feel this is interesting. Please do subscribe to our channel and help us motivate in creating more such videos. If you have any doubts, please feel free to use the comment section and share your questions. Thank you. Okay, guys, let's get started to solve this problem. So what you're seeing on the screen is an actual data which I'm trying to show with an example. Now I have kept only one column in this scenario. So we want to solve this problem. Okay, so take a look at this data. It is extracted from some tool. Now the data analyst is interested to extract what exactly is present under this column type. Okay, so we are not interested in anything else. So what we want to do is whatever is present under type, which is iTop technology provider in this case, we want to extract this data and put it in a different column, maybe somewhere over here. Okay, the challenge is not every place the word iTop technology, right? Every type is different for every record. For example, take a look at this one. It says BNOP transactional analysis. If you go for this one, it says standard class. If you go for this one here, it says MIT sales report, which means every record is different. So how do we extract only what is present under type? Okay, let's start with that. So the first thing what I'm going to do is I'll create one column called start position. So I want to know the position of this word type, where exactly the word type is present in the cell. For that, I will use a function called find is equal to find. So as the first parameter says find text, what do you want to find? So I want to find the word type. Okay, this is what I want to find, comma, within text, where exactly this word is present, probably somewhere in this particular cell. I'll go ahead and close the bracket. So you can look at it, it says 165, which means the word type is present in the position 165. So what I will do now is type how many letters we have. They have 4 letters and then colon and we have a space. I want to know where exactly the data is present after colon and space. So there are overall around how many? There are 6 characters, right? So I will go ahead and say plus 6. So now 165 will become 171, which means our position is here. So this is from here we want to extract the data. So now we know the start position. The second thing is we need to know the end position. So till where we need to extract the data. So anything in between type and solution is what I need, right? Anything between type and solution. So I want to know the position of this word solution. Again, I'll go ahead and use the same find function. Now this time I want to find the word solution. Exact match. Okay, it should be all the letters should exactly match. Make sure you do that. Now where exactly the data is present? It's present in this somewhere in this particular cell. I'll go ahead and close it. Now we know the start position, we know the end position. Now all we need to do is whatever is present between this, we want that specific data. So now here let's go ahead and write a formula. Now is equal to mid. So remember, most of the student I was saying it mid is a very powerful function. So mid is not about extracting data from middle, right? Mid is a position based extract. So you can extract any data based on its position. Okay. So what is the first parameter? Where exactly is your text? My text is present here, comma. Starting from which position you want to extract the data? Starting from this 171 position, comma. How many characters do you want to extract from this position? So I will say 196 minus 171. So number of characters, I'm just subtracting 196 minus 171. Whatever characters we get, you will automatically get extracted. So let's close the bracket. You can see iTop technology provider has been extracted. So here what we are trying to do, we are trying to extract the data between type and solution. So we got our expected results. Now we want to find out whether the same information can get extracted for other rows. So let's go ahead and apply the formula. Now take a look at this one. Here start position is same 171, but ending position is 199 because here the word is bigger than the previous one. However, our formula still works as expected. So irrespective of whether the word is big, small, we get our expected result in this type column. And now you look at this one, we have a very small word, standard class, we still get extracted from this data. Likewise, we have MIT sales report. This is the power of formulas and functions in Excel. Now we can go ahead and probably, the data analyst can create reports, pivot tables, and generate some meaningful insights. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, please comment it down in the section in this particular video section. And if you're interested, so I have displayed my contact number over here in the bottom, somewhere in the bottom. So please contact me if you have any kind of doubts, or any if you're interested in some training in data analytics, especially in advanced Excel, SQL, Tableau, or Power BI. We do provide trainings on all these particular skills. Please like this video, subscribe. Have a nice day. Thank you.